Alright, so this is my first video with the DJI OSMO Pocket. And this test is specifically to see how the face track works as I move the camera around me and it attempts to track my face. And also the audio. And I'm on a Segway right now, going, I don't know, about 5 miles an hour, so there's a fair amount of wind. So I wanted to see how it handles this wind while I'm rolling and doing this selfie video. So, it seems to be doing okay so far, but I'm trying to hold this thing while riding around, so I'm multitasking. Anyway, that's just this quick test, so I'm going to flip this around forward so you can see what I'm seeing. Okay, so now the camera is obviously facing forward, and this Osmo Pocket, they say it has 2 microphones on it, and I believe they're for noise canceling as well as for I'm gonna stop here, as well as for, there we go, noise canceling for recording when the camera is aiming at me in selfie mode, and also for when I'm aiming forward. So I don't know how that's going to work, but we're going to try it out. All right, that's it. Peace.